Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. What is Arabsstock? Arabsstock is a stock media platform focused 100% on Arabic identity and Middle Eastern culture. While big platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock are global, Arabsstock solves a big problem: lack of authentic Arabic content. On Arabsstock you'll find Arab, people and families, Gulf, Egyptian, Levant, and Middle Eastern culture, Islamic lifestyle, business in Arab countries, Arabic clothing, traditions, food, mosques, cities. This makes it a high-demand, low-competition platform. And yes, you can make money on it as a contributor. How Arabsstock helps you make money. Arabsstock works like a stock marketplace. Here's how it works in simple terms. You upload photos, videos, or illustrations. Businesses, marketers, and companies buy licenses. You earn money for every download. Your content can be used in advertisements, websites, billboards, TV and digital marketing, educational content. Once uploaded, your work keeps earning passive income. What type of content sells best on Arabsstock? This is where Arabsstock is powerful. High-demand content. Arab men and women in daily life. Business meetings, Arab teams. Muslim prayer and worship. Ramadan and Eid scenes. Arabi families at home. Traditional clothes, though, abaya, hijab. Arab, food and hospitality. Education and technology in Arab countries. Authenticity matters more than perfection. Real people, real emotions, real culture equals more sales. How a beginner can start making money on Arabsstock. Let me break it down like a real YouTube tutorial. Step 1. Join as a contributor. Create an account on Arabsstock. Apply as a contributor. Upload sample work for review. Step 2. Shoot or create authentic content. You don't need a studio. Smartphone cameras are okay, good lighting is key. Natural locations work best. Real expressions, fake posing. Step 3. Follow licensing rules. Model release forms are important. Property permissions if needed. Clean, legal, usable content. This protects you and increases acceptance rate. Step 4. Upload consistently. Even a few uploads per week matter. Seasonal content, Ramadan, Hajj, national days, sells very well. Old content continues to sell every year. Skills needed to work on Arabsstock. You don't need to be a professional photographer to start. Basic skills enough to start. Basic photography or video shooting. Understanding of lighting, framing and composition. Basic editing, Lightroom, Photoshop, mobile apps. Helpful skills optional. Storytelling through images. Cultural accuracy. Video shooting and short clips. Keyword tagging, Arabic plus English helps. If you live in an Arab country, you already have a huge advantage. How much can you earn from Arabsstock? Let's talk real numbers. Beginners, slow start. Consistent contributors, stable monthly income. Top contributors, strong recurring earnings. Because competition is lower than global platforms. Buyers need Arab-specific content. Local authenticity sells better than generic stock. This is not instant money, but it's long-term digital income. Why Arabsstock is a hidden opportunity. Here's why many people sleep on this platform. Arabic content shortage. Growing Middle East marketing industry. Less competition than global stock sites. High trust from Arab businesses. Long content lifespan. You upload once and the content can sell for years. If you live in an Arab country, have access to real Arabic culture, own a smartphone or camera, want halal, clean, passive income, then Arabsstock is one of the best platforms to start with right now. Your culture is your advantage. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Leave your comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.